molecular mass. Here, before going to learn about molecular mass, first I would like to tell you about molecule. Here the molecule is the smallest particle. It is the smallest particle of an element. It is the smallest particle of an element or compound. It is the smallest particle of an element or compound which has independent existence. Which has independent existence. So here this is very important point, independent existence. Atom is the smallest particle of an elementary compound which is not exist independently. But molecule definition is that it is the smallest particle of an element or compound which has independent existence. The next important point is the number of atoms. The number of atoms in one molecule. The number of atoms in one molecule is called atomicity. This is called atomicity. Remember, atomicity is nothing but number of atoms in one molecule. Let us take one example, O2. In O2, how many atoms are there? 2 atoms are there. So its atomicity is equal to 2. Let us take N2, nitrogen. How many atoms are there? 2. So its atomicity is 2. Let us take O3, ozone. How many atoms are there? 3. That's why its atomicity is 3. Let us take one more example. HCl. How many atoms are there in HCl? 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. So its atomicity is 2. Let us take HNO3. How many atoms are there in one molecule? 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogens. So total 5 atoms are there. So its atomicity is 5. Let us take H2SO4. How many atoms are there in one molecule? 2 hydrogens, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygens. Total 2 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 7. So its atomicity is 7. Let us take helium. How many atoms are there in helium? Only 1. So its atomicity is 1. Let us take neon. How many atoms are there? Only 1. Next, argon 1. Krypton 1. Xenon 1. So you know, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, all are noble gases, or these are also called inert gases. So for all inert gases, atomicity is equal to 1. Except these noble gases and inert gases, atomicity of any molecule is more than 1. The mass of one molecule is called molecular mass. Molecular mass is nothing but mass of one molecule. This is mass of one molecule. Then how do we calculate mass of one molecule? It is very simple. Mass of one molecule is nothing but it is sum of atomic mass of all atoms present in one molecule. Let us take one example, nitrogen. How many nitrogen atoms are there? 2 nitrogen atoms are there. So I am writing like this. Mass of nitrogen atom into 2, because they are similar. Mass of nitrogen atom into 2. Mass of one nitrogen atom is 14 AMU into 2. This is equal to 28 AMU. Let us take oxygen. Oxygen molecular mass is mass of oxygen atom into 2. Mass of one oxygen atom is 16 AMU into 2, which is equal to 32 AMU. Suppose if you take ozone, how many oxygen atoms are there? 3. So here mass of ozone molecule is mass of oxygen atom into 3. So mass of one oxygen atom is 16 AMU into 3, which is equal to 48 AMU. Suppose if I want to calculate mass of HCl, mass of HCl is equal to mass of hydrogen atom plus mass of chlorine atom. So here mass of hydrogen atom is 1 AMU plus mass of one chlorine atom is 35.5 AMU, which is equal to 36.5 AMU. Suppose if I want to calculate mass of H2SO4, let us take mass of H2SO4. This is equal to mass of hydrogen atom. This is one atom. How many similar hydrogen atoms are there? 2. So into 2 plus mass of sulfur atom. This is mass of one sulfur atom plus mass of oxygen atom. How many similar oxygen atoms are there? 4. So into 4. You know, mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 AMU into 2. Because mass of hydrogen atom into 2, so mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 AMU into 2. Mass of sulfur atom is 32 AMU. Mass of one sulfur atom is 32 AMU. Mass of oxygen atom. Mass of oxygen atom is 16 AMU into 4, which is equal to 98 AMU. Here 98 AMU is mass of H2SO4. Now we see the questions related to number of molecules in given sample. The formula used to calculate number of molecules in given sample is equal to mass of sample in AMU by mass of one molecule. Mass of one molecule in AMU. Let us take one question here. Calculate number of molecules. Calculate number of molecules present in 196 AMU of H2SO4 sample. H2SO4 sample. See here, number of H2SO4 molecules. Number of H2SO4 molecules equal to mass of sample in AMU. What is mass of sample in AMU? 196 AMU by what is mass of one molecule of H2SO4? One molecule of H2SO4 mass we can calculate like this. Mass of hydrogen is 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Mass of one sulfur is 32. How many sulfur atoms are there? Only one, that is equal to 32. Mass of each oxygen 16 into each oxygen mass is 16, and how many oxygen atoms are there? 4. This is equal to 64. The total mass is 98. If you write AMU after 98, it becomes mass of one molecule, H2SO4 molecule, that is 98 AMU, which is equal to 2. So 196 AMU of H2SO4 sample has 2 2 molecules. Sometimes they will also ask some question related to the number of atoms. They may ask calculate number of atoms in 196 AMU of H2SO4 sample. See here, number of atoms is equal to number of molecules in the given sample into its atomicity. So how many molecules are present in 196 AMU of sample? 2. Its atomicity is what? 2 hydrogens, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygens, total 7. That is equal to 14 atoms are present in 196 AMU of sample H2SO4.